This is a video on how to install a hard drive and upgrade RAM on the Toshiba Satellite C55-B series laptop. My laptop ended up with a malfunctioning screen due to a broken hinge. Instead of buying a working brand new or used screen with the LCD cover and hinges, I decided to buy another working used Toshiba Satellite and use it for parts. Here's a laptop I got off eBay. It came with a 500 GB Windows 11 hard drive and a standard 4 GB RAM. I've already pulled the hard drive and the RAM from my laptop, and my parts are ready to be installed into this beautiful laptop from eBay. You want to place the laptop face down and take all the 14 screws out. I'm using a screwdriver kit for computer repair. All the tips are magnetic, and for this job, I only need to use 2 tips. First off, I will be removing the battery. The battery is held by 2 screws, so let's remove them. And slide the battery out. Continue removing the rest of the 12 screws. If you ever need to replace your DVD-ROM, this screw right here holds your CD-DVD drive. The drive easily slides out once the right screw is removed. And here's your DVD-ROM. So let's continue removing the rest of the screws, and I will speed up the process. Once all the screws are removed, run your fingers along the side of the laptop case. Locate any notches where the case and laptop meet. Gently pry the notches with a small flathead screwdriver. I'm using my fingers here to pop apart the case and the laptop. Pull the casing off and set it aside. Here's your hard drive in a blue silicone casing. Lift the sides up about 20 degrees and gently slide out the hard drive. This is my original hard drive. Let's place it into the silicone case and plug it into the motherboard. Now let's upgrade the memory. Press down on the clips. The memory module will pop up at a 30-degree angle. Remove the RAM and don't touch the gold pins. And this is my 8 gigabytes RAM. Click and it's all installed. Alright, I'm done upgrading the memory and swapping the hard drive. So now you can put your cover back. Align the sides and the notches. Put your DVD back into the laptop. Insert the battery back and then put all the screws in. Let's power on the laptop. Since the memory's been upgraded, the system wants me to adjust the date and time in BIOS. Obviously, I've already fixed the date and time. Make sure to save your changes by pressing F10 or by selecting the Save and Exit button. What you see here is a boot device error. Later, I will get a no device found error. To fix these errors, restart the computer and go back into your BIOS by pressing repeatedly F12 or Shift F12. We are back in the BIOS. Again, make sure the date and time are updated. Go to the Security tab. Make sure Secure Boot is disabled. Go to tab Advanced. In the tab Change Boot Order, your hard drive should be the number one booting device. Now go to System Configuration. Under Boot Mode, switch from UEFI to CSM or the opposite from CSM to UEFI. Save your changes and exit the BIOS. Now the computer is restarting, and now we see that Toshiba is powering up just fine.